Hi, my name's Mike. I came to Dr. Willis about 8 months ago. I'm 62 years old. I'm a retired Navy veteran. I came to Dr. Willis weighing 185 pounds, type 2 diabetic who struggled to get my A1C to a 7.3. I had high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and constant acid reflux. And on top of that, I had low testosterone. So Dr. Willis recommended a 4-month program, and I went on that program. Easy to follow, not hard as far as diet. And after 8 months, actually after 4, but after 8 months, I no longer take any cholesterol medicine, any high blood pressure medicine. I don't have any acid reflux. My A1C is a 5.9, so I'm pre-diabetic, not diabetic. And I have the testosterone level of a 40-year-old. I can't say enough good things about this program. The team that he has is fantastic. They're super informative. They're really helpful. And if you're questioning whether or not you should do this and you have these type of symptoms, talk to them, go to one of the seminars, and you won't regret it. The only thing I wish I would have done sooner is I wish I would have come to advanced functional medicine sooner. The results are unbelievable. I've never felt better, and I'm 62 years old. Oh, and I now weigh 165 pounds, and I feel fantastic. So it's great. Definitely go to a seminar and listen to what they have to say. Good luck.